We are doing an overview of an app called Fasilgo. So what is Fasilgo? Fasilgo is a comprehensive maintenance, turn, and renovation solution supporting the real estate industry, property operators, and their supplier contract partners can problem solve, negotiate, and transact through a mobile and web-based platform that is Fasilgo. The idea is to improve operations, more efficient turns, leverage of corporate buying contracts, achieve compliant purchasing, obtain enforcement of chargebacks, and eliminate paper invoices. This solution intersects the key relationships between property and supplier and property and resident. Fasilgo is a comprehensive property maintenance and turn solution, guiding staff and collaborating with suppliers to achieve, hopefully, a higher resident satisfaction.
Wow.
Fasilgo is a program I use every day for my job. Just a quick disclaimer, Fasilgo did not ask me to make this video. This is not a paid promotion for Fasilgo. I'm just putting this information out there for new service technicians that are trying to learn Fasilgo or want to know what the app is all about. So here we go. So when you first open the app on my iPad, you'll see your list of work orders. And when you click on the little work order button at the bottom of the screen there, the little screwdriver and the wrench, this screen pops up. You can see the list of all your work orders that are reserved, on hold, scheduled, canceled, etc.
Woo!
Now I've obviously whited out the addresses for privacy reasons. If you click on one of those work orders, this is the screen that comes up next. It gives a more detailed view of that property. Again, property address. You can select the resident's name and phone number. It gives you the work order number. This is where you can add pictures, where you can make notes. You can also see down at the bottom you have 4 buttons. So you can void the work order if it's no longer necessary. You can complete the work order if you finish the job. If you click Next Steps, that takes you to this screen. And here you can select a service or product that you need to put on that work order. For example, you go to someone's house to repair something and you need an external vendor to come in to make the repair for you. This is where you would do that. Or if you need to buy parts. So say you go to a customer's house and they have a leaking faucet and you need to go to Home Depot to buy a new cartridge for that faucet. You would click Products. You would click Quick Prod PO. And then on this screen, you would start typing in HO. Home Depot Parent would pop up. You click on Home Depot Parent. You would enter the total. Then you'll go ahead and click on Quick Prod PO. The next screen will give you the PO number. So when you're at the checkout at Home Depot with your parts, just before you pay with your company credit card, there would give you a screen on the check stand where you can enter the PO number that was generated on your iPad here. Now under the Task Assignment button, notice on the bottom there, the task assignment is highlighted in blue. You can see my task assignments for Monday the 3rd from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 work orders. From, looks like 8 to almost 10 a.m., I have 2 work orders scheduled at one house. And again, it gives you a time frame, tells you, is it an appliance issue, electrical issue, plumbing issue, etc. On Fasilgo, you can also set the status of the work order. So it could be next available, meaning there's no rush, next available working day. It could be urgent, So say, the garbage disposal stopped working or the dishwasher stopped working. That would be urgent. An emergency would be, there's a flood, there's some sort of structural damage, the power's out, etc. And then, of course, when you click on any of these work orders with your finger on your iPad, it would then take you to this screen where you can enter your notes, enter your pictures, complete the work order, hit next step to order parts, etc. I hope this quick overview helped so you can better understand what Fasilgo is in the residential space if you're a service technician like I am. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.